what we've got here is the new design. Come round to there, press the button, pull the bar out, straight up to the wagon, lay it across, close it up. We're hooked up and we're away as normal, and you do whatever you do with the rest of that. Now for undoing, same as normal, taking the pressure off, releasing, and we all know most of the time we end up walking backwards. Well, this time we're not going to, we're going to pull the pin and we're off, mate. And that's how it works. So set it, close position, open bar at the top, onto the strap, close it up, press the little locking pin, on, and we're away. Releasing, press the pin, pull the bar, and we're off. And that's how she ends up. So I've sent you 2 samples. Let's hope you get on okay with them. Speak to you soon. Cheers, Barney.